southernmost edge of Sicily, where the island seems to touch Africa, lies a place shaped by wind, water, and endless horizons. Isola delle Correnti. From above, the land stretches into the sea, forming a narrow tongue of sand and rock surrounded by waves coming from different directions. Here, the Ionian Sea and the Mediterranean meet, creating a landscape in constant motion. The small island, connected to the mainland by a thin strip of sand, appears and disappears with the tides, as if floating between two worlds. At its center stands an old lighthouse, silent and solitary, watching over the restless waters. The currents shape everything here. The waves, the wind, the light. The sea is never still, always moving, always changing. From the sky, the contrast is striking. Deep blues and bright turquoise blending together. Lines of waves crossing one another, creating a natural pattern that can